Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll show you how to configure the delete variable event in Dalfin's workflow. Start by dragging a UI trigger into the workflow. Add a title and description that clearly explain the event, then select the appropriate method, menu, and window, and click Save. Next, pull the delete variable event from the event library into your workflow. Provide a title and description for the event. In the record selection section, you'll need to select the record ID. This identifies the variable you want to delete. Choose how to fetch the record. You can either use a constant value, a fixed value, or data carry from a previous node to pass in the necessary record ID. Once you've selected the record, you'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Make sure you review the selected variable before confirming. Once deleted, the variable will be permanently removed and will no longer be available for future workflow events. To proceed, click Delete Variable to remove the selected variable or click Cancel to discard the process. Finally, save and publish the workflow. By configuring this event, you can efficiently manage stored variables, removing those that are no longer needed in your workflow.